Well, the streak is over. It was only what, 24-0. Obviously, not round one, race one at Hangtown. Jett Lawrence got the traditional great start he always does. Looked like it was going to be another 1-1, and then you get this. I don't know if you got a little kick or didn't get the kick needed or whatever it was. Lands straight into the face and then just yard sales it. And you got to say, for him to one, kind of stupidly, you're so far in last. He's been down for what, a minute and a half, minute and 20 seconds at this point. You're so far back in 40th that very, very little chance that you're going to make points, considering it's only what, 21st that gets any points for this race. He did get up, he did finish the race. I think he ended up getting to like 26th, 24th. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't actually remember. But you gotta say, good job for him, like, to show heart to get up and actually continue and finish the race. But at the same point, it kind of was one of those things that you're so far behind at that point, you might as well just like chalk it up to, move on. I'm gonna go to the trailer, I'm gonna get some rest and be happy. Obviously, second round or second race, he did end up racing and finishing, I think it was sixth, a better showing. But you gotta say, what is it, 24th and sixth? Yeah, I was right. Um, as I looked it up as I'm doing this, but you gotta say, good job, especially race two for Chase Sexton to go from last to first. Like, you gotta say, same sort of situation, but Sexton wasn't down nearly as long. 5-10 seconds instead of a minute and a half. So it is one of those things. The streak is over. Jett Lawrence has, you know, 24-0, almost 25, or should have been 25. He was going to win this race. And now we've got a little bit of a points battle. Sort of. Probably not. But it did see, if you watched the after race interview in race two, he was basically saying he had no lower. He was using all his arms and upper body because apparently he hurt his leg somehow. I don't know if he took a chunk out of it with the foot peg or whatever it was, but we'll have to make a little update about that. If is injured, I doubt he'll miss a week, but he's definitely probably going to be sore next week too. Probably miss a couple of days of training this week. But in the comments below, I want to hear from you guys. Did you like the race? Did you think it was a good one? Personally, I'm not a fan of the California tracks. I find them very boring. They're all just kind of flat and brown, whatever. But I want to hear from you guys. Comment down below. What did you think of it? Are you excited that Chase Sexton won? You happy that Jett Lawrence lost? You happy Deegan won? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.